think the trolls left the dungeon. Let's go into the girls' bathroom.
Hurry up! Swish and flick! 𝖔𝖓𝓐𝓐 𝓍𝓉𝓎𝑜𝓠!
Cool.
Is it dead?
I don't think so. Just knocked out. Troll bogies.
Oh my goodness. Explain yourselves, both of you.
Well, what it is, it's my fault, Professor McGonagall.
What? Miss Granger?
I went looking for the troll. I read about them and thought I could handle it. But I was wrong. If Harry and Ron hadn't come and found me, I'd probably be dead.
Be that as it may, it was an extremely foolish thing to do. I would have expected more rational behaviour on your part, and I am very disappointed in you, Miss Granger. 5 points will be taken from Gryffindor for your serious lack of judgment. As for you two gentlemen, well, I just hope you realise how fortunate you are. Not many first-year students could take on a fully grown mountain troll and live to tell the tale. 5 points will be awarded to each of you for sheer dumb luck.
Perhaps you ought to go. You might wake up.